Here's Gabe walking through the really deep snow.
I don't even know where I'm going. It's so deep.
It is beautiful out there. The deepest snow we've had in like 10 years.
I can't see.
You'll see. Here, let me zoom in on this. There he is, out in the snow.
I can't see him.
Ava.
Are you putting it into a movie?
I'm making a movie, yeah.
Snow is getting in the house.
Well, I'm not going out there, so snow might get in the house. Oh, man. Make a snow angel. Come up here closer. Alright.
Can I see the movie now? I want to see the movie now.
Alright. Wave bye.